Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take off, put on or replace the mopping pads on your EasyViz RS2 robot. To do it, it's pretty simple. You just need to flip over the robot. You can see I have my mopping pads already installed, and to take them out you just take them out easily because they are attached with a magnet. Just like that. And then you just need to replace it with a new one. Then you can just detach it, it's attached with a Velcro, and put another one on. Then attach them again here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.